Hi, good morning. This is Dr. Maka Walls. I'm here at the grocery store, and I just thought I'd say hi this morning and let you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy some organic cauliflower as well as tomatoes, avocados, organic of course, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I have been thinking about certain things. I've done some research and I have found that pancreatic enzymes, minerals, broccoli sprouts, and greens, they all play a large role in reducing cancer risk. And what the pancreatic enzymes do is that they really work well when you take them on an empty stomach, and especially together with minerals like magnesium, because what it does is it strips the outer part of any malignant cell, the fibrin, and it kind of strips it and makes it not viable anymore. And when it comes to leafy greens have chlorophyll, and chlorophyll forms a complex with toxins in our body, and this complex is excreted through our kidneys as urine, So leafy greens do play a large role in detoxification as well as antioxidation of the body. Another thing that happens with leafy greens, apart from the chlorophyll, which forms a complex with toxins and gets excreted through our body as urine. Another thing it does is it has a lot of vitamins and minerals and enzymes, and it's always best to juice these things, these leafy greens, raw every morning on an empty stomach. You can do it anytime throughout the day, whether you eat or not, but it's always good to do it on an empty stomach. So, you can maximize its potential in removing all those toxins. Now, I'm not saying all toxins will be removed in one day, but what I'm saying is it really, to drink green juice, which I call liquid gold medicine. It's green, but to me it's liquid gold. It's always great to do that on an empty stomach, to maximize its effect. Broccoli sprouts, that is another thing. We have sulforaphane that is produced by chewing broccoli sprouts, and how it's produced is when you chew broccoli sprouts, myrosinase is released, and that actually produces the sulforaphane from the broccoli sprouts. So the best thing to do is do some research on these things, but just know that pancreatic enzymes with minerals like magnesium, as well as chlorophyll from leafy greens, antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins from the leafy greens, as well as sulforaphane, play a very large role in reducing cancer risk, as well as help prevent recurrence. So if you want to hear more from me, just let me know and I will be there. Well, have a great morning and enjoy your day. Thanks.